Today we're replacing a fuel injection pump on a Cummins. Now we're going to start taking off all the fuel lines. I'm going to take them off from the back right here, loosen up those clamps, take them off at the injectors, and remove the fuel lines. And we'll start taking off all the other lines too. We don't have to take off the full front cover. There's just a little access point right there. So I took off all the fuel lines, everything that's mounted to it. There's a couple mounting bolts in the back, the lever right here. Took off that cable, 3 bolts all the way around it like a triangle, 13 millimeter. And then I'll explain this tool I made. Pretty much it just pushes the fuel pump off the gear. So the gear is on this tapered input shaft right here. It's pressed on. This is the puller I made. It just looks like an H. The nice strong piece of metal. It's gonna go on it like that and push that pump out. That worked perfect.